Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the new 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander. The 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander is an ideal choice for those who love the Highlander but want more room for family and cargo. With its spacious third row, updated features, and quiet, efficient performance, it's designed to provide comfort and convenience on every journey. Whether you're packing up for a family road trip or just need the extra room for day-to-day adventures. Toyota has added exciting updates to the 2026 Grand Highlander, starting with a new entry-level LE trim that offers a more affordable option for buyers. Additionally, XLE models and above now come with a removable second-row center console, giving owners more flexibility in the cabin configuration. The Grand Highlander comes by the grand part of its name honestly, with a roomier cabin than its smaller Highlander cousin. The third row of seats benefits most from the Grand Highlander's larger size and boasts enough space for full-grown adults. The Grand Highlander's interior styling is different too, including a more symmetrical dashboard design. The XLE is a step up from the Grand Highlander's entry-level LE trim, and it comes with plenty of convenience features that family buyers will appreciate, including a power-operated liftgate, heated front seats, second-row window shades, and a host of USB and power outlets throughout the cabin. When equipped with a second-row bench seat, there's space for 8 passengers, but those seeking a 7-seat arrangement will be able to swap that bench out for captain's chairs. Thanks to the generous interior room, the Grand Highlander is capable of delivering long-haul, road trip comfort to all of its occupants. The 2026 Grand Highlander comes standard with a 265 horsepower turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive is standard, while all-wheel drive is available as an option. The Turbo 4's engine may have a slightly gruff sound during acceleration, but it quiets down at cruising speeds, contributing to a comfortable, quiet cabin with a 67 decibel sound level at 70 miles per hour. The price of the 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander starts at $42,310 and goes up to $55,495 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.